Guys, this is Vinay from Weltech University, and now I am going to explain how to deploy an application on PaaS using the AWS service. First, log into AWS console and go to the services and go to the Elastic Beanstalk service. Before that, you have to keep ready with your code. In that code, you have to mention these extensions, means a database, what are the database you need to use, and health check URL, what is this. If your server is inactive, what are all the instructions you have to give, all that. This is all should be written in the YAML language, which is known as yet another markup language. So this is the code we are going to use to deploy in that application. So go to the Elastic Beanstalk application, create a first create an application, create a new application, application name it be anything. So create it. Now create an environment. We have two environments. One is web server environment, and another one is worker environment. If you are not ready to the production, then you choose with the worker environment, or if you are ready for the production, then choose web server environment. Now click select. So this is the main for deploying an application. So you have to select the platform, means what language you have chosen to deploy in the code. I have taken the PHP, so I have taken this. PHP 7.4 is enough for me. I would take 3.3.1 version. Upload your code. Yes, I have my code ready in my local files. I will upload that. Wait for some time, it will get uploaded to the public S3 URL. From that URL only it is going to take that a zip file or any other files. It won't directly take on to this platform. Here you can see the tags. Tags is nothing but you can give any tags like this. You can give some tags. Yes, the file is successfully uploaded. After this, don't go to create environment, go to configure more options, because we have to configure the VPC, load balancing, auto scaling rooms, and etc. So first go to the instances. Okay, this is all enough for me. Click on save. Go to the capacity. Here change the single instance type to the load balancer, and from minimum 1 maximum 3 I have keeping. So when the traffic increases from 1 to 3, it will automatically scale up, and when the traffic decreases, it will scales down. I am using t2.micro and the AMI is this. I will keep the availability zones. Any one availability zone is enough for me. So I will keep on this. The period between the metric evaluations is 5 minutes. Reduce that to 3 minutes. Breach out duration is 3 minutes. So click on save. Next, go to the network. In this network, I have already created a VPC which allows all the traffic which is necessary to the website or something, to the servers. Now load balancer subnets to be in these two availability zones. Yes, I want the public IP address, and these two are for the servers, means instances. After all this, click on the create environment. It will validate and creates an environment. I have already created an environment one for my project. So this is my environment. I have successfully deployed the code here. Yes, you can see the recent events. Environment health has transitioned from warning to OK. So this will be the events when you are deploying. So if you want to see the website, you can click on this. Yes, this is a website, so you can log in. You can log in like this. So this is a simple website. So here you can see that the DNS name is like Vinay project .env some elastic beanstalk. So this and all the stuff is not good for anyone or any company. Like say, we can see www.google.com. So this is somewhat clear to search something like this. So for this we have service called route 53 service. So I have taken that service. Before going to that service, you want to buy a free DNS name. For that I have using the free nom. I have registered on this free nom service, so sign into that. So go to the services and go to my domains. So these are the two domains what I have purchased. Now go to the route 53 service. Here hosted zones is there. Click on hosted zones. If you don't have any hosted zones, click on create a hosted zone. So these are the web servers you have to paste in that free now. When we go to manage domain, go to the management tools, name servers, you just paste those 4 name servers onto this and click change the name servers. It will direct the traffic from this to that. Here I have assigned this route to the elastic beanstalk load balancer. So from that the traffic will come to this. From this it will be transferred to the load balancer. So you can just see the demo. You can see I'll copy this. Yes, you can see the website is coming, but here you can see the connection to this site is secured because for that I have used the certificate manager service. Where is that? Yes, certificate manager. Yes, you can see 2 certificates is being issued by the Amazon. So that certificates has been linked to the load balancer. This is one. And for the errors, for catching up the errors, I have created a server for that. You can see an EC2 server. You can go to the EC2. on the instances. You can see three servers, like three instances are running. Each instance is one server. This Nagios is a monitoring a website, a server monitoring tool which I have created for monitoring the errors or any warnings. Yes, it is working. Backslash Nagios. I have one host running on this Nagios, which is nothing but this website. Please just wait. Encountered with some issue. Yes, Nagios core. You can see the hosts here. Yes, one host is up and running, and it is been with zero OKs and one warning. Just see what is the warning is. Yeah, HTTP is forbidden. Yes, because I have closed the HTTPS port and opened the HTTPS port because which is more secure than this. So I have used that service. So this is our project, and this is what we have did in this. We have used services like Route 53, Certificate Manager, Elastic Beanstalk is the easy to services. Uh, for configuring the load balancers or auto scaling groups, from here you can configure the load balancers or auto scaling groups. You can see NAG. In the listeners tab, you can see only one listener is active. It is HTTPS 443, and you can see I have attached the certificate also here. So this is our project, guys. Thank you.